Possible that while emitting logs, accidentally we can also emit certain sensitive information like email address or some PII data like phone number or credit card number in the log messages. It becomes very tricky to handle it at the instrumentation layer because of variety of languages and how the services are built today. Instead, you can handle it at the ingestion using Levitate's control plane. So you can come to the control plane, click on sensitive data and create a rule. I'll select logs here and I want to take an action on a rule, scan the data for finding all the email addresses and then redact that data. Additionally, I can also attach few additional labels. So here I'm attaching the sensitive data true label, which means that all log lines where the email is found, we will attach this label to that log line. This will be very useful to make sure that we find out which all services are sending sensitive data, and I'll show an example of that as well. When I click save, this rule will get applied, and after this, whatever log lines contain the email address, the data will be automatically redacted from those log lines. So let's see how it looks like in Grafana. I will come to Grafana and go to Explore section using the Loki plugin of Levitate. Here I will select in last, let's say 5 minutes, I will select the sensitive data label with true, and when I click on it, it will load the data and it will say that this was the data that was coming from this Last9 API and it has redacted it. It has removed that email address and made it star star star. I was testing it a while back as well, and I was also set up a dashboard for finding out all the PII violations. So let me go here and click on the PII violations. And here I can see that there are 3 services in last 15 minutes which have done some violations related to PII. So I can also find it out from a governance point of view that which services are still sending email addresses and which services have stopped sending email addresses over a period of time as well. So that is how you can use the sensitive data feature of Levitate to handle the PII information at the ingestion layer instead of at the instrumentation layer. Thank you.